family, always together, the Dolphins. They are coming down to the front stage. قادمون إلى المسرح الأمامي to say hi, hello, السلام عليكم, مرحبا, everybody, welcome to Dubai Dolphinarium. Look at the middle, leader, Aisha. Thank you, Shukran. Youngest boy, this is Tioma. Thank you. What about the big brother? This is Mr. Nemo. Shukran. Thank you. Bye bye.
We talk about dolphin love. It's time to move it to dolphin speed.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna show you how far the launch with the DJ is. Come on.
Each one of these dolphins have a special action. Europe is the Latin of the Haraka Pasta. Tioma, 11 years old, dancing solo! MashaAllah, look at the queen, leader, Aisha! Tioma! Of course, the big brother has something. You know what? He's going to the front stage. Al-Masrah al-Amami, dancing solo! Always with your family. Okay. Hoopa, 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 hoopa.
Wow! Time for the good news. Listen up. I'm throwing the ball. 1, 2, 3. Throw the ball. In the water. In the water. Okay, let's find the winner. Here we go. Together, joy all the way. Tioma is going to the first place. Ball number 43. Congratulations.
Ball number 17, 17, 17.